Now let's talk about our next tense, that is future. The time is 5, right? And after this time means at 8, 9, 10, 11, next day, next year, okay? All those actions which you performed after this time comes under future category, correct? So we will learn how to make and when to use such sentences. When we plan something, I will go to doctor, I'll be sleeping at that time. Neha will return your book tomorrow. She will be dancing. She'll be studying in 8th class next year. Now she is in 7th. So, such sentences which define your plans for future comes under future sentences. Let's take its first form, that is future simple tense. So let's learn future simple tense by some examples. First, the doctor will see you. She will return your book. Here we have used subject plus will, or we can use shall also to mention the plural form of the subject. So subject plus will shall plus object. This is very easy and very simple. Please write down some simple future sentences in the comment box. I would love to see them. Now let's talk about the future continuous tense. In the future continuous tense, if you know something in advance that you are going to do something, you are planning something for weekend, for next month, for next year. Let's take some examples. I will be going to Shimla on Sunday. I will be visiting to my nanny's house. So here subject plus will, or you can use shall for the plural subjects, but here the subject is singular, so we have used will. I will be going, go in its ing form, going, correct? And we are using it in future continuous tense, so ing is must in the continuous. Subject plus will be going, we will always use will be, they shall be, he will be. We'll always use be with this form, subject plus will be plus verb and its ing form, and then the object. This is the structure of the future continuous tense. Now let's move toward the future perfect tenses. Now here we have used perfect, so we know that we'll use has or have, but here we use has and have with will or shall. Will have, shall have, correct? So this tense tells about the action that will be completed in a specific time, and we have used the perfect means have, will have, shall have. Let's understand it by this timeline. Now it is 2022 and after 2 years it would be 2024, and now let's pretend 12th class, and after 2 years I will have finished. Will have plus verb, its third form, will have finished. I will have finished my schooling. Now, so for such sentences we will use will have plus verb third form. So this is future perfect tense. Let's take some more examples. So let's pretend now she is in the first year of her graduation, and after 5 years she will have finished her graduation. So I hope you have understood about this tense. Now let's go towards our last but not the least, future perfect continuous tense. The plannings for the future for a certain period of time means, for example, now this is 2022. From 2030 to 2040, I will be in Florida. So how would I say this statement? Let's see. I will have been living in Florida. Here we have used subject plus will to mention the future. Have, will have, its support helping verb. Been living, live plus its ing form to show it's a continuous form, that I will be living from 2030 to 2050 or 40, whatever. So for a certain period of time I'll be living there, so it would be a continuous situation. Never forget been when you use future perfect continuous, because in future perfect continuous, in past perfect continuous, as well as in present perfect continuous, we have to use been for has been, have been, had been. Remember, as this is the structure of the perfect continuous forms. Let's take an example of Ram. Ram is working somewhere nowadays, but he will be working from 2025 to 30, means in future, in a bank. So we can say that Ram will have been working in a bank. I hope you understood about the tense. For more such informative videos, subscribe my channel and hit on the like button. Thank you.